Oops, sorry for the focus. Hey guys, it's Mag1997 along with... I don't know if you could hear that very well, but that is SPC Cranford 1056. Don't know if you could hear that very well. Phone didn't say it loud enough. Anyhow, this is a fire alarm test video. We're about to hook it up to the wall. This is just a pre-test. Make sure everything is working, functioning okay. I just finished wiring it. Took a while because ran into a lot of problems getting those wire nuts fit correctly. Alright, currently the alarm is set to 800 Hertz continuous, which is the factory default setting. I'm going to let it run for a while. Oh shoot, I put my hex down. Where did I put my hex? Oh crud. Yeah, we can use this. This doesn't work as well. If I come across my hex, I'll use that instead, but I don't think I will, so we're just going to use this little flathead. Alright, so we're going to get this test going. Go ahead and pull the alarm. Okay, I had to disconnect power so I can go ahead and reset the pull. I'm going to have to set this down. Sorry about that. But, because it takes two hands to reset this. Especially when I don't have the proper hex for it. Now, as you can see, the firelight is currently reset, so this is the end of the test. This has been Mag1997 along with... yeah, he's doing his homework, so... Alright, see you guys later.